I'm done painting. Yay. So the paint color is Benjamin Moore Whirlpool, and the shiplap ceiling was in a video that I posted a few weeks ago. The trim color is Benjamin Moore Cloud White. So windows are done, trim, all the orange of this room is finally been evacuated. So the blue is really pretty. I don't know if it will show well on here. It's a very pale blue-gray. I'm going to hang my French country curtains that I showed you last week in here, and then the next project in here, well, we're going to finish the floors, and obviously, well, not obviously to you, but to me, this closet leaves a lot to be desired. So we need to come in here and rip out all the old that's over the plaster, take everything out, paint, seal it, paint it, and put the door back on it. So never ending, and put the crown molding around the shiplap and a white ceiling fan. Then I can finally say this room is done. This is our other bedroom. It obviously needs a lot of work, but at least the wallpaper is mainly down. This wall, these inside interior walls are made out of, not plaster, but it looks like some kind of wood, plywood, I don't know, somebody tell me. So we need to figure out how to smooth the walls enough that I can put new wallpaper. I just wanted to put new wallpaper over this wall because I thought this wall I would put the bed, because I think that's the obvious place for it. And two like sconces on the wall, and then these walls will be painted and the ceiling will be painted, and a new ceiling fan. And here's the office. This is the room that I painted a month ago. This is Benjamin Moore Revere Pewter, and again the trim is Benjamin Moore Cloud White. And we threw our new mattress on the floor in here for the time being, so we have a mattress to sleep on. But the floors need to be done, so we're not putting the bed together yet until the floors are done. And then you walk over here, there's a bathroom that we need to gut. This is it's actually a full bathroom. It's really strange. They put this shower in the middle, and you walk over here. Sorry, I gotta scoot over. And right here is the toilet. With, by the way, a lovely view, which is really pretty, of the water. So I guess that's kind of nice. The rest of the room is, yeah, needs to be ripped out. And then I'm hoping we can reconfigure this. I know it's kind of hard to show on film, the tight space. It's very tight, but we're gonna have to work with the space that we have and see if we can somehow reconfigure it. I would prefer the sink here, sorry, I've got paint on my hands, and the shower stall here, like in this area, but I don't know if it could fit with the depth here with the door. A little confused. And here is an update on the floors. They're looking pretty good. We got the edging done, and the little hallway in here is almost done. This is all just sanded, by the way. We don't have any kind of stain or anything down. We're not staining them. We're just putting down oil to it, which is slightly colored. The color is oak. It's very, very light, but just enough to give it something. And then I was thinking, this wall of built-ins, now it really stands out. I don't think you can see how orange it is on film, but I would like to whitewash it. And I did a video of using General Finishes whitewash as well as Annie Sloan, made my own whitewash. And I also whitewashed my fireplace like 10 years ago. So I know I can do it. And I do think if it's whitewashed, it will kind of blend in better. I do love that it's wood, but I just wanted to blend better with the room. Yeah, that's where we are.